Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to leave group in Messenger. Now to do that, open the Messenger application. Once you open the Messenger chat, you need to tap open the group that you want to leave the conversation from. Tap open that group. Here in this group, you are currently added. Now for you to leave this group, all you have to do is tap on the eye icon on the top right. Here you will have these settings. You can make changes too. So if you are the person that is being added to this group by an admin, you can easily leave this group if you do not want to stay in it. For that, you scroll down to the very bottom and you will have the option of leave chat with red icon. You tap that. Are you sure you want to leave this conversation? You will no longer receive new messages. You tap on leave, and with that you will be left from that group right away. That means you will no longer be able to receive messages and call from that group anymore. So this is how you can leave a group in Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you.